Thanks for tuning in, and as promised, I'm going to show you the exact trip I booked for 12 days using TourRadar, and you'll see my actual booking confirmation in the end. Welcome back to the channel, and in the last video I showed you step by step how to search and look for the perfect vacation using filters that TourRadar gives you. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy that booking process is. Now, I need to be upfront. I really hate planning for a vacation. As a solo traveler with limited time, I fully want a guided tour, and it has to be a group tour. So I chose this one right here, Thai Intro 12 Day, and the company is called Intro Travel. So right here, we can see there's 901 travel reviews for this particular tour. Out of 5 stars, it got 4.8 rating. That makes me feel better. It's 12 days, Bangkok to Koh Phi Phi. And probably the reason why I went with Thailand again is because when I left 8 years ago, I felt that this is a country I definitely want to come back to, and I made that promise. So Koh Phi Phi was probably the best New Year celebration I've ever had. And I took a look, and here is the intro travel. Their platinum operator, and as we know, I prefer either platinum or gold operators. It's a group tour. It's low intensity, the perfect group size right here. It's Explore, so this is curated to ignite your sense of adventure. Fully guided, it's in English, and here's the age range. Here are all the places that I'll be able to see. Here's the map, these are the big old zigzag, and here are the highlights and the itinerary. Now, I'm not going to go through the itinerary because I did that in the last video with a similar tour in Thailand, but I went through this with a fine-tooth comb, and any questions that I had, I absolutely contacted the operator by using this feature, which is absolutely key. And I also downloaded the brochure as well. Now, I will say that on day one, knowing that it's a meet and greet in the evening, I did book an extra night before the tour starts. So that was just me, and you can also do the exact same if you so choose. So I'm not going to go through the itinerary, but there's one thing that I do want to point out. On the last day, just like day one, there's nothing planned. However, I'll be on Koh Phi Phi, so I need to catch a ferry back to Phuket in order to catch my flight home. So I did get in contact with the operator, and they're going to help me with that. So that for me, that customer service, that extra layer of customer service where they're willing to help you, is another reason why I really think highly of this company. I went through what was included. It's all right here. The guide, the meals, all these additional services, all locked into this price. Transport, the free eSIM, what was not included. And here's something that I want you to check out. It says travel insurance is not included, but is compulsory for this trip. So that was key to know beforehand. I looked at the customer photos and check this out. Intro Travel for this tour as a company, they have 16,486 reviews, and they're all overwhelmingly positive, 4.8 out of 5 stars. So they earned this platinum rating for a good reason. That just tells me that they're a company that really cares about the experiences that their travelers have. So why don't we just get to it and look at the availability. Now, right off the bat, you can see this is 1449, 1449. So what's going on here? I see 1299. Here's a hot tip. Right beneath, you're going to go to select date, and you're going to want to see what's going on. So if I go back to this year, there's 2 months left. These are 1449. But in 2026, it's March and April where you can get a reduced price. That tells me a couple things. It's going to be low season more than likely in Thailand, but also there's your savings. So it really depends upon you. It really depends upon when you can travel. So if that does not bother you, feel free. Now I'm going to choose the exact date that I want or that I went with, and I want you to pay attention to one thing. I chose this departure date here. This is a guaranteed departure. This departure is absolutely available and will 100% depart with or without me, okay? Now, the one above is interesting. It says departure on request. So check the availability with the operator. So you absolutely, suppose if you see that on one that you're looking at, you want to contact the operator directly and you want to ask them the question. What does that mean? It's best that they answer. I don't want to give you a false assumption. So why don't we go confirm dates? And this is exactly the screen that I saw. And as you can see, here's the overview. And these are 7 spaces left. So out of a group of 22 max, I should expect to see 15 when I arrive in Thailand. And just like I showed you the last time, these are just the standard forms that you would have to fill out in order to book a trip. And how many are traveling. This is all step 2. Add the details. You just put in your first name, last name, all that good stuff. And here is the travel insurance question. As we know, we just found out that it's compulsory to have travel insurance. Luckily, TourRadar is partnered with Xcover, so that helps you with that. But many of you probably already have travel insurance, so feel free to hit no protection, but you will be asked later on in the booking, there's some missing information. So the tour operator will contact you directly saying, hey, we need your travel insurance information. If you don't have it, not to worry. You can use this option, which is premium protection, which is what I did. And you just simply add it on. Now, here is the TourRadar savings. Now, this is if you are using TourRadar for the first time. If you remember, this is where you want to put your $50 promo code to get an extra instant savings. All right. Now, I have travel credits, and I've been earning those over the years. So whenever I book a new trip, I always apply travel credits onto that particular booking. So I pay via credit card, but as we know, we do have options, PayPal or Google Pay, and they even give you book now and pay later, apply for PayPal financing. So as soon as I did all that, I just simply accepted the terms and conditions and I booked that space. And as I already know, that departure date is guaranteed. So I am going. And that is it, guys. That's how I was able to book this tour right here. Thai intro, 12 days. I feel extremely comfortable, cannot wait. And now we're going to show you the booking confirmation page and what that looks like. Here's my actual booking confirmation, Thai intro, 12-day. And as you can see here, they've already sent the confirmation to my inbox. I was able to download it as well. And here's the start point, the end point, the duration, exactly the tour that I wanted. And this is the TourRadar reference ID. This is the operator reference ID. And this is what I wound up paying for the whole trip. So right here is because I was able to get a sale at the beginning of the year. And in addition, from last year, I was able to get some travel credits that I booked, and I was able to apply that through the booking process. So I will also leave you a link down below in the description for this particular tour if it caught your eye. And there it is, folks. That's how easy it is to book a tour through TourRadar. For me, I definitely love using TourRadar because of the convenience. Everything is under one booking. The savings on reputable tour operators, the sales are great throughout the year. And lastly, it just pretty much takes the burden off my shoulders. TourRadar did all the heavy lifting for me and found me a tour operator that offered me a fully guided group tour. So I really do hope that you found this video useful and you found it inspiring to plan your next trip. So please smash that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below with your dream vacation. And I will be releasing some more videos soon. And I do plan on doing some video in and around Bangkok all the way down to Koh Phi Phi. So thank you so much for your time. I know that you got a lot of options on YouTube, but you watched my video, so I really do appreciate it. And stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.